Multiply 2556 by 10 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. The second partial product is 25,560. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 0 plus 6 is 6. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 5 is 5. In the thousands column, 0 plus 5 is 5. In the 10,000s column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 25,560. So 2,556 times 10 is 25,560.